Hi everyone, I've put together a series on different specialties for professional organizers, including senior downsizing, closet design, moving services, and I'm hoping by highlighting these services that are in high demand, you'll get a better idea of how possible it is for you to have a career in professional organizing. Welcome back. If you have been here for a while watching my videos about working in professional organizing, and if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are launching or growing a home organizing business, I am passing on all the knowledge I've gained since starting my business in 2002. And if you need more help, you can enroll in one of my online courses or book a one-on-one coach call, and those links are in the description of this video. Today's video is about working in the world of chronic disorganization services. I have worked in hundreds of homes with clients who have conditions that impact their ability to stay organized. This includes, but not limited to, depression, anxiety, MS, fibromyalgia, memory and mobility loss associated with aging, and of course, ADHD. All of which could impact your client's ability to stay organized. You can see a complete list of conditions that can lead towards chronic disorganization on the ICD website. This isn't about tidying or buying the right organizing product. It's about providing ongoing support for those whom organization is a continuous challenge. It's also not about treating or fixing a condition. You are meeting your client where they are and just helping them create simple systems of organization and reduce clutter. In more extreme cases, you may be creating an organizational system for someone other than your client to maintain. It takes a lot of patience, and you will find yourself organizing the same areas over and over again. Before we jump into our next segment, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, Project to Payment. If you're running a professional organizing business, you know how important it is to keep track of sales and to send out invoices. Project to Payment is becoming my go-to app for all of that and more. It's super easy to use, making it a breeze to get paid by your clients. But that's not all. It also helps you keep track of your customers' contact information so you always look super organized when your clients call. And the best part? The team at Project to Payment is all about supporting small businesses. They offer their services at just $20 a month, no matter how many users you have. And guess what? If you use the special link in the description below to sign up, you'll get 3 free months. So don't wait, check them out and make your business life much easier. So working with chronically disorganized clients differs significantly from traditional organizing projects. So let's look at that typical workflow, which involves phone consultation, in-person planning, and then your organizing sessions. And during those sessions in traditional organizing, we're following GDP, which is gather and sort like items, make decisions, and put away into a permanent home. So with chronically disorganized clients, our focus during that planning stage is getting to know your client really well and understanding their unique challenges, and then setting realistic expectations for what can be achieved. For me, this is often having some really honest conversations with them right from the beginning. If I can see that they want to hold on to a lot of clutter or they want to set up really complicated systems that they are not going to be able to maintain. So I feel like part of my job is to offer them alternatives, either living with less clutter or having a really simple, easy system that is going to be more practical for them to maintain. It is so critical for building trust and ensuring that we are on the same page. I can typically conduct several decluttering sessions to get high functioning spaces like kitchens and closets in order, and also categories like paperwork. Then instead of continuing with those types of sessions aimed at sort of overhauling a space, I schedule maintenance sessions. These sessions involve revisiting the same areas to keep them organized. Essentially because we as organizers can play a key role in maintaining these spaces for our clients. These sessions may also include the concept of body doubling, which involves staying side by side with someone while they perform a task to help them maintain focus. Organizing for this population and this approach means you'll likely work with fewer clients, but these relationships can be more intensive and time consuming. It's a trade-off. Fewer clients, but deeper engagement versus traditional projects where you might have lots of clients, but you work with them on short-term tasks. Adapting to the needs of clients with chronic disorganization can significantly impact how you run your business. If I notice a client isn't using a system that we have set up, if they are unable to maintain that system, something like a simple filing system for mail, I believe in having an open and honest conversation about it. And sometimes the best solution is to transition them to another support service, whether that's a concierge service, a personal assistant, maid services, companion care, or a family or friend who's going to help them on a regular basis. And in extreme cases, the best solution may be for them to downsize or move to a home that requires far less management. So it's not just about organizing one room or one closet. It's about looking at the big picture and seeing how they can best function in their home. You as the organizer may play a regular part in that if this is the population that you want to work with. I found that having the ability to work with a variety of clients and projects was best for me to just help me stay focused in my business and to avoid burnout. I'll be the first to admit, working with the population who is experiencing chronic disorganization, it can be really challenging. And I don't think it's for everyone. But I just want you to be aware when you get into this world of professional organizing, it is very likely that you will be contacted by clients who have chronic disorganization. And I just want you to be educated about whether or not you want to work with this population. And if you do decide to work with this population, just understand that, you're meeting them where they are, and you're not really going to be able to create this, beautiful, perfect looking, high design organizational system, but you are going to play a role in just helping them get through their daily life. If you are still mastering the basics, the Selling Organization course offers the essential foundations like creating a name for your business, setting up social media, and finding clients. Check out last week's video on adding packing and unpacking services to your professional organizing business, and click on the bell so you'll be notified when next week's video comes out, which will be all about adding closet design to your professional organizing list of specialties. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.